Hi guys, today I want to explain something about my hometown in Italy, Turin. Turin is a city located in northwest of Italy. It's a town where you can find evidence of the Italian story. Apart from the story of the city, I want to explain the more interesting thing that you can find nowadays in Turin if you want to visit it. Firstly, you need to know that Turin was the first capital of Italy from 1861 until 1865. For that, in Turin you can find a lot of the first royal palace and official government site of Turin, like Palazzo Carignano. In this palace were happening the meetings of the first Italian parliament, and nowadays it is a museum. Then, I think that the most beautiful and famous monument of Turin is the Mole Antonelliana. It is a tower where is located the National Cinema Museum. It's also possible going on the top of the mole and have an awesome view of all the city. Another famous place is Giovanni Battista Cathedral. It is one of the ancient church constructed in Turin, and inside it is kept the Sacra Sindone. The legend says that it is the bed sheet where the body of Jesus Christ was wrapped in the tomb. There are obviously other interesting stuff that you can find in Turin. I hope that one day you're going to travel and to enjoy it.